Unveiling the Harvest. Understanding, reaping the benefits. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a commonly used phrase, reaping the benefits. It's a fascinating expression that carries a lot of weight in just a few words, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to use it confidently in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, reaping the benefits, refers to the act of receiving positive results or rewards from the efforts, actions, or investments one has made. It draws its imagery from agriculture, where reaping is the process of cutting and gathering crops when they are ready to be harvested. Just as a farmer invests time, effort, and resources into planting and nurturing crops before finally harvesting them, in various aspects of life, the benefits are the rewards we receive after putting in our hard work, dedication, or resources. To deepen our understanding, let's briefly explore the origin of this phrase. As mentioned, reaping is an agricultural term that dates back thousands of years, and it symbolizes the action of harvesting crops. The transition of this term into the metaphorical expression, reaping the benefits, illustrates how language evolves, borrowing from the tangible experiences of human life to describe abstract concepts. This evolution highlights the connection between hard work and the eventual positive outcomes one enjoys. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences, which is crucial for incorporating it into your English vocabulary seamlessly. After years of studying and training, she is finally reaping the benefits of her hard work with a successful career. By investing early in renewable energy, the company is now reaping the benefits of sustainability and lower energy costs. He invested a lot of effort into improving his health, and he's reaping the benefits with greater energy and vitality. Understanding phrases like reaping the benefits is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's also about gaining insight into the cultural and historical contexts that shape the language. This understanding can enrich your communication skills and help you connect more deeply with English speakers and their experiences. And there we have it, folks. We've explored the meaning, origin, and use of the phrase, reaping the benefits. It's a powerful expression that reminds us of the value of hard work and the joy of enjoying the fruits of our labor. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and each new phrase you master is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.